With a class is Emperor 20 works. Now I'm going to be looking at to find the value of resistor with following color code. We have BB, Roy, GB, GW. The first B stands for black, which is equals to 0. Black, not blue. Black equals to 0. Black, which is equals to 0. Then blue, which is equals to 1. No, not blue, brown instead. Brown equals to 1. Then red equals to 2. Orange equals to 3. Yellow is equals to 4. Equals to 4. Then we have green. Green equals to 5. And blue equals to 6. So we have to change that blue there to black, to brown. After black is brown, then red, orange, yellow, green, blue, which is equals to 6. Violet, which is equals to 7. And gray, which is equals to 8. And last one, which is white, which is equals to 9. Now here we're going to be looking at the first band, second band, and third band, and the fourth band. All these bands have their own meaning. For instance, they give us brown to be our first band and black to be second band. So we're going to write for brown, no, not black first. It's going to be brown first. Brown. So computing each band value, we have brown, then we have black and orange. And orange for the third band. Now we're going to put brown. Brown is for number 1. I'm going to put 1 the way it is. Brown is 1, so I'm going to drop 1 just like that. And black is 0. I'm going to put down 0 the way it is. But the third band has a special meaning. Third band, whatever number we have for the third band, for instance, orange is 3. I will take that 3 to be 3 zeros. So 3 zeros. I'm going to write 3 zeros there. That means I'm going to compute down 1, 0, and 3 zeros for orange, which is 3. 3 zeros will be attached to that 10. 3 zeros. Can you see that? The first band, I put out the actual number of the color coding. The second band, I do the same. But the third band, I attach it with zeros, including the number of the word band, the number of the color code given to us. And the last one is what they call tolerance. The fourth band is what they call tolerance. Now, we're going to be looking at tolerance with something much spectacular. Tolerance is equals to resistor times the band they gave us for the fourth side. Now let's look at this. For instance, for silver, we are going to be having 10%. Silver, its tolerance is 10%. For gold, the tolerance is 5%. So for gold, it is 5%. And for no tolerance, assuming they did not give us anything at the fourth band at all, then we know that our fourth band is 20%. When there is no tolerance, when they don't give us anything, maybe silver or gold, then we are having 20%. Now this is what they're going to do. The value for the resistor times the tolerance given for the silver. The tolerance for silver is 10%. 10 divided by 100. 100 have cancelled that. We have 1000 ohms. Now this is where we're going to solve it to the end now. Now at this point, we're going to look at, okay, since we are having 1000 ohm, therefore the resistor will be written as 6, our actual number, which is what, 10,000 plus and minus 1000. For 10%, we are 10,000 plus or minus 1000. So as a mathematician, that simply means that 10,000 plus 1000 and 10,000 minus 1000. So at a point, one will give us 11,000, the other one will give us 1000. So we have 11,000 there, and we have 9,000 at the other side. ohms. So now the value of our resistor now will be 11,000 or 9,000 ohms. So value of resistor 9,000. Please like and subscribe, share this video to those that you know that they are going to benefit.